I'm going to take you through how to set up your form to get digitally signed using Adobe Acrobat Sign. For this practice, I have already uploaded the staff travel expense claim. What we can do over here is change the email subject line. We can also change the message if we'd like to. I'm not going to do that right now. I just want to make it known that that can happen. You can also add more than one file to be signed. I'm going to change the agreement setting because I want the completion date done earlier. So I'm going to hit that little pencil and change the date to be March 5th. I'm going to send an email frequency reminder every week until they get it signed. And that's it for that. For the recipients, I know I need to sign it, so I can put my name in there, and then I'm going to add an individual. And I'm going to add a supervisor, and I could continue to add people if I needed to. I could also CC someone if needed, but I'm going to go ahead and keep going. Clicking preview and add fields. This is where we're going to really set up the form to be signed. Generally, when you're uploading a form, everything is completed prior to putting it in to be signed. If you are missing pieces, it is possible to complete those things in within this platform. It's just going to be easier to do it outside of it and then primarily use this for the signatures. It does automatically identify fields, including where the signatures are. Something to note is the colors for the signers. Right now, everything is green, but the employee signature, that's going to be me. So I'm going to click on that, click change recipients and change it to myself. And now we can see the color has changed. The other signature though is still green. And just to be sure, it is still the supervisor. I'm also going to add the date in there. So it will automatically upload the date. And then I'm going to click the green one and do the same over here. So now when they sign it, it will automatically click the date. Now I'm noticing, I forgot the budget supervisor signature. Instead of clicking back at the top of the screen, which you can't see, but that's okay, I'm going to click back at the bottom of the screen and scroll all the way down again and add another individual. And this is who you would have fill out the next part. And then go back into preview. And everything's still there that I did before, but now we've got our budget supervisor signature. We've got Caitlin added, so we can click there, change, and now we've got that person as well added onto there. Once everyone is in there and everything looks good, you go ahead and click. You can click save if you're not ready to send it yet, or you can click send and it will send to all of these people, including yourself if you are someone that needs to sign it, and it will be sent through email. I'm not going to send this one right now because it doesn't actually have to be sent, but you get the idea. Again, there's a lot of other options you can use on here. Primarily, we'll be using it for signing, but if you do need to have something checked, something added in like text or, an approval of something, yes or no, you can use all of these for that as well. And that's it.